Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss 12th class chapter 1st. Topic is difference between micro and macroeconomics. As you know student, there are two books in your syllabus. One is microeconomics and second is macroeconomics. Now we are going to differentiate between both of them. First, we are going to discuss about the meaning of microeconomics. The word micro has been derived from Greek word mikros, which means small. You can write down any of definition here. Now, macroeconomics, the word macro is also derived from Greek word makros, which means large. When we are discussing about single level firms or a particular industry, that will be a form of microeconomics. Whether if we are studying about whole economy, then it will deal with macroeconomics. Now, what things are included in microeconomics? It includes particular household, particular firms, particular industries, particular commodities and individual prices. Now, how we will write about macroeconomics? It deals with aggregate of these qualities, not with individual income but with national income. Not with the individual prices but the price level, not with the individual output but with the national income. So in macroeconomics, large number activities are studied of the whole economy or whole country or whole world. Now in microeconomics, what things are studied? It is the study of particular markets and segments of the economy. It looks at the issues such as consumer behavior, individual labor market and the theory of firm. As I have discussed earlier that macroeconomics is the study of the whole economy. It looks at aggregate variables such as aggregate demand, national output and inflation. So the next difference is in microeconomics, single consumer behavior is studied, while in macroeconomics, aggregate demand and aggregate output is studied. Next is what components are in the market of microeconomics. It involves supply of demand in individual market and individual consumer behavior. For example, consumer choice theory, in which single consumer behavior is studied, while in macroeconomics, reasons for inflation and unemployment are studied, international trade and globalization, government borrowing. So, in macroeconomics, causes of unemployment is studied. Similarly, international trade and globalization is also studied. Foreign exchange rate is also studied in macroeconomics. Next is diagrammatic explanation of micro and macroeconomics. As you see in microeconomics, in the figure we have take quantity on OX and price on OY. Explanation of this figure is that microeconomics analysis shows that the increased demand leads to higher price and higher quality. As demand is increasing, prices are also increasing. While in macroeconomics figure, GDP is shown in this figure. We have taken price level on OY and GDP on OX. LRAS is the inflation. Now, as you know that we always explain figure, so the explanation of this figure related to macroeconomics that real GDP is shown in this figure. Instead of looking at individual demand of cars, we are looking at aggregate demand, which is total demand in the economy. Instead of price of good, we are looking at the overall price level for the economy. Inflation measures the annual percentage in the aggregate price level. So all these are differences between micro and macroeconomics. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. God bless you all. Thank you.